For removing Lambretta rear hub, the tools required are one 27 mm ring, 5 mm Allen key, one rubber hammer or wooden hammer, 5 mm Allen key. Remove this locking plate. This is the securing nut. After that, you will find one washer. This is very, very important. Plays some important role with the braking effect also. As it is the rusted engine, still the rim is with the drum, but you should never hit the drum with the metal hammer. It is better to use such type of rubber hammer or wooden hammer. Hold it and okay. Drum is out. This is of API MK and this is the part number. Here also same API. For removing the cone, press the screwdriver like this, like this. Otherwise you can do one thing also. Place the screwdriver like this here and hit it, and you can pull it like this also. After removing the cone, you will find one washer here. This is also very, very important. In the next video, we will see how to remove the brake shoes. I said this is the old engine. This is, I don't know what are all the things here. Here also, we will clean this. Lot of chemical cleaning is needed now. We will see later.